Will supplements or medications break my fast?
And so this question was specifically about an omega-3 supplement, which should be a fat-based supplement. So my answer would be no, that really isn't going to break your fast. Now, I'll come back around and say, if you hit a plateau and you're not seeing the results you want, maybe that's something you change the timing of, if you can. So, we're talking about supplements and medications. So if you're taking like a huge scoop of supplements and medications in the morning, maybe that is going to add up to enough carbohydrates and all those medications to minorly break your fast. So some signs to look for is hunger. So if you take your supplements and then 15, 20 minutes later, all of a sudden you're ravenous, that would be an indicator that you could have possibly broken your fast with those supplements. So what Jeremy and I do is we take our supplements with just before meals or with or after meals.
Right.
So we time it that way. There's not a lot of things that we do first thing in the morning. We carry the supplement, the Monday through Sunday supplement packs for old people. We've liberated those and made them for all ages.
Yes.
And, that's what we use to put our supplements in, so that we have those with us. And if we're traveling, like the mini Ziploc bags work really well. And the ones I got are thick, so I actually reuse them.
Yeah. So I have a few thoughts about this too. And this applies to supplements, but not medications, because if you're on a medication, then you need to follow the letter of the prescription.
Yes,
right?
yes.
And maybe fasting during that period is not a good idea. But for supplements, I'm kind of a big subscriber to the method called like the pulse method, where every now and then you stop taking the supplement. Maybe you go off of it every other day for 10 days, right? And give your body a chance to experience, not having that supplement again. Mm-hmm. So that the last thing we want our bodies to necessarily do is become completely dependent on a supplement. And sometimes when we take something for too long or too often or too much, we can down-regulate the body's production of whatever we're putting into it right now.
Yeah.
My body doesn't produce berberine, so I usually only cycle off that one day a week. But other things like my multivitamin, sometimes I don't take that 2 or 3 days a week, and then I force myself to eat more leafy greens and get more of my vitamins in through my meal.
Yeah.
So that's just an extra tidbit on supplementation, like the pulse method, just giving your body a break from having, supplements every single day.
Yeah, great question.